I wanted to give everybody a rundown of how Imagine Scholarship works. When you get your login access, you get to create a profile so that they can start to match you with some scholarships. You'll see some interests, some organizations that you may be a part of, any unique features or talents, right? So then it can start to think about what we want to get for scholarships. So here, once it populates, you're going to see you have a whole list of scholarships that you can start looking at. You can search by keyword over here. So if you do have another interest, maybe you didn't put in the profile or you just want to see what shows up, you can search directly. But then you're just going to go through and see, well, what is Chick-fil-A Community Scholars Program? That's a $25,000 scholarship. That might be worth actually looking into. Right. So then you can go through and see more about what the requirements are in regards to applying. And in here, you can apply and it'll take you directly to that in order to do so. And you can also save a scholarship so that then you can come back to it later. And then you've got the saved scholarships tab. So you can go through and see the ones that you've saved. Also the ones that you've applied for. And then there's also an internship piece in here. So you can use the search by keyword as well, but that is going to be also options for in-person and virtual opportunities. So this can be something that you can take a look at as well. Could be some good stuff to do summer after you graduate from high school. And then there's video resources. So there are some other tools in here on how best to use the program. They do release new scholarships in here every Friday. So there's always going to be stuff getting added. The program is a 1-year membership for $135. So you can use and abuse it as much as you like during that period in order to have your kid continue to bring down that cost of college. So if that's something that you want to get started with, feel free to use the link to pay the $135 and let me know what your student's name and email address is, and we can get over a welcome email to you guys so they can get started in applying for scholarships. So